Hey, it's Perry here, Thinglish Lifestyle, and hopefully, that's the thunder, hopefully I'm going to get a little quick tour of our new farm. It's only 3 rye, a little bit bigger than our last place, but now that's all growing up quite nicely now for the last 18 months. We're expanding, so we're going to buy, well, we've already bought this place. It's a little fruit farm. We've got some Longan and Durian and Mangosteen on here predominantly, plus a few other trees. But we're going to actually extend this into cacao. So we're planting lots of chocolate and then to plant it with Moringa and maybe sachet and things like that as well. So all kind of like in a permaculture principle, but a bit more organised rather than our last food forest. So I'm going to have a little walk around here before it thunders and lightnings. So let me take you around. This way. Okay, what we're going to do here first, we're actually going to start tomorrow, the weekend. We've got like 101 posts here. Don't ask me why we've got 101, but we've got 101 posts here. We've got some gravel and sand, and we've got a team tomorrow getting together, and we're going to start putting in a perimeter fence around the property. That just differentiates ourselves from our neighbours, because at the moment we can't really tell, but we've got this little line down here, so that's our border line. So we're going to run a fence down here, post every 3 meters, and then we'll put some fencing in and then plant it up as well. So that's cool. So it starts tomorrow, so we've got a busy weekend ahead of us starting there. But let's come this way and I will show you what else we do. And here we've got some longan trees. I don't know how many's in there. Quite a few, maybe half a dozen, maybe a dozen. Hard to see from here. We've got some mac trees, mac palms, and this is the main area where I start planting cacao. Where we are now. Just thunder rolling around everywhere. So fence going down here. Got 2 rivers of cacao. I'm quite steep here, so I'm going to bump this up with some little swales, just to hold the water a little bit more and create a bit of stop the good nutrients from running off. At the moment I've just run off and take it down to a small pond there, which we've got half of. That post is the corner marking of our property here. Corner here, and then we go out over here where the runoff comes in, and we've got a pond over here, and in the pond we've got a nice pump, pumps the water back up to the top of the hill, and then that irrigates the longan and the mangosteen and not the durian, unfortunately, but we'll sort that out. Watch your step coming through here. So at the back of the property we just got a field of bananas originally, and then pineapples just been planted out. It's just ongoing at the moment. We've got a nice mature coconut tree stood under here right now. There's a nice coconut from there. That's a bamboo at the back there, so I'm going to show you. And let's walk through here. I chopped these down like literally last weekend. These bananas, they're big old bananas. You can see how big they were. I chopped them down because I was interfering with this tree. So this fruit tree. So, but they're growing back already. So maybe I have to uproot them. But things very fast here. But the idea is the fruit on this farm annually sales are about 100,000 baht. So So we're hoping to, you know, look after the trees, feed it. It's very neglected here. The people who've owned it haven't really done much with it for a while, so it's kind of neglected. So we're hoping to ramp things up here and probably double production. And as the new trees coming on board as well, then obviously we're going to be a lot more productive and profitable as well. So we're getting a bit cooler in here, some of the shade of these trees. And we've got a nice big mature durian here. I'll look out some nice fruit. So we'll get all that fed up. And then here, right across the brow of that hill, it's all mangosteen.
Longan.
Sorry, Longan.
Oi, Rambutan.
Sorry, Rambutan. Yeah, what am I talking about? Rambutan.
Yes, forgot.
You just have to look on the floor. So yeah, Rambutan. So these all need trimming up these trees, cleaning up a bit, which he's doing. But it's all part of doing it, and then feeding. So we'll be getting lots of nice compost tea and lots of amendments, a bit of soil. This is the first young cacao, maybe a bit too young, but I put it in the ground anyway, just to see how this is going to pan out here. So we've got one cacao there, I just planted earlier in the week, and another small one here. They seem to be doing alright. I've mulched them in with lots of nice sawdust, with chippings. Give them a drink of compost tea, seems to be doing alright. We'll see how they go. And around here we get to where we have our durian. So we have about 10 durian trees here. These trees are about 18 months old, I believe, so I'm told. So at the moment I've just added some mulch to them because they've been pretty bare. They've been pretty much left on their own since we put in here. So I've just mulched them in, weeded around it, dropped the weeds, chopped and dropped, and added some compost tea to each tree. But they need a little clean up as well, I think. So we'll see how they go. Working okay. We have one durian that wasn't very healthy, so I actually cut it out, dug it out, and then I backfilled that hole in, and it's got lots of good stuff in there to create some good bacteria. And I just bought a tree on the way here, a Malaysian durian actually. The rest of these are Montong.
Golden pillow.
Golden pillows, yes. Mongto in Thai. So I think 9 or 10 Mongto, and then one Malaysian. See what it's like. So that's cool. Then we've got this area back here. Cut all this out, needs lots of chopping and dropping here. Clear all this corner out, right to that marker over there, and then we'll devote that to cacao as well. Probably get a few cacao in here, and then we've got some bananas back here as well. So we've got some nice big rack of bananas. Look, some already here. So there's the small bananas. Got a nice big rack, and there's several down there. There's another rack behind us there with the flower still on. And then some of the larger ones over here. Big bananas and a nice banana flower. So maybe cut that off in a week or so's time, and then this goes in to make a nice soup actually. Yeah, great soup. With chicken and lemongrass. It's kind of nice, it's all good, so no waste. And then this pond, we've got this pond here which is ready for irrigation. So we'll drop some irrigation pipes out here, extend the irrigation out this way, and then take it out the far side as well for the cacao, and maybe get some ducks in the pond as well. Hence another reason for putting a perimeter fence around here so the dogs can't get in, except for our little doggy, of course. Little taxi, and we'll get some chickens as well to till the earth. And work around here. And that's pretty much it. We've got a house back here, but the people who just bought the property off, we're letting them stay there for the next 2 months until they've sorted their house and things like that. So we don't need it to live in or anything like that. We're actually we'll convert that in the future to a little chocolate factory. But at the moment, we're not too bothered because we've got a place to live anyway. So it's nice having a second house, but we don't need it. So that's cool. So we'll see what happens with that. So let's go through these trees, through the rambutan trees, and look to the top row. We'll show you the neighbours' rubber trees, and get out of here. Walk this way. Right, put this down. Going back already. It's the cobwebs. You see like the irrigation pipes down here? There it's nice. Make lots of noise in case there's any snake in here. So this is our perimeter, right across here. The start of our rubber, our neighbour's rubber plantation. Goes off and over those hills. And Rory down there to those little white flags. All good. And then up to the little road. So here we are, so back on the road. So it's just a dirt road. Because we don't need roads where we're going. So we're putting a perimeter fence in here, all the way down here. That's about it. So we're going to go back and jump in the car and get some tools for tomorrow. But I hope you enjoyed the video. We can see the transformation of this over the coming months and years. Be interesting to see. This is a good document for us, so we can look back at it and see how we've transformed it. I know how it looks in my head in the future, but it'd be interesting to see it grow. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the little tour, the little fruit farm, and if you liked the video, please like and subscribe and share, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one. Take care till then. Ciao.
Mm-hmm.